begin.
Hello everyone, we are from Dara Technologies, New Delhi, India. Today we are going to demonstrate project name prosthetic hand using Arduino microcontroller and accelerometer. So in this project we have mapped values of accelerometer to positions of servo motor. So position is like from 0 degree to 120 degree. We have mapped that position according to voltage given out from accelerometer, and that voltage is converted to ADC, and in ADC of Arduino we have mapped those values to positions. Like 2.5 volt we have mapped to 0 degree. If we are getting output from accelerometer while moving upward is like 2.7, so we will give position to 50 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree according to it. Okay, so this is how the project is working. So you can buy this project from our website, or you can contact us for some modification in this project, like adding muscle sensor, brain sensor integration in the project, then flex sensor, touch sensor. Okay, and also more fingers and other things also can be added here. And thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat. You'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as Spit Vicious. Release bomb.
Hello everyone, we are from Dara Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Dara Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.